Hey everyone, Harlan Kilstein here, and we are looking at the sales page that we've chosen for a ClickBank product to promote. Now, we're only doing this to show you that this is just a sample. I'm not saying that there's anything special or great about this. The numbers were good. We're just using this as an example. Okay, so how do I market this? There are 400 million people who are on Facebook today. Do you think all of them are interested in making their own solar panels? Chances are the answer to that question is no. And so what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to do what I told you about in the story of the fisherman. We're going to learn how to target that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that URL up at the top, which is earth, then the number 4, energy.com, and I'm going to take you to 3 sites which are going to tell us who we want to market to. This is simple, this is easy, this is fun. Here we go. The first site is called quantcast.com. Now, Quantcast is going to tell us a little bit about the site, and I've already put the site, you see it's cut off a little bit here, earthforenergy.com, and we see it gets lots of traffic. Traffic was higher earlier in the year, went down, and seems to be coming back up. So I'm not sure how new the site is or old the site is, but we can learn from Quantcast that travels around the internet and follows what you're interested in, who the people are. Now I'm going to come down and it's going to show me the US demographics. This is really important. This is the most important section on the page. Okay, we see here over on the left-hand side that the buyers are 62% men, 38% women. Okay, so with that nearly twice as many men as women, we're going to advertise this site to men. Now we see that Facebook is also going to let us advertise not only by sex, but also by age. And we see that very close to 70% are above 35. So now we're going to advertise to men who are over the age of 35. Okay, we see 85% of them are white. ClickBank does not let you market like that. And we see their income that 60% have between $30,000 and $100,000, and 22% have above $100,000 income. The majority of these people are do-it-yourselfers who did not go to college. So we've just saved a bunch of money we've learned to advertise to men who are above age 35. You might want to write that down, and we'll be right back with our next site. Okay, this is Harlan, and we are in Google's Insights for Search. You can see the link up at the top, google.com/insights/search. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in these terms, solar energy. Now we're going to add a new term, green energy. And let's look for solar panels as well. Now, we're going to search on the web. I don't want to search worldwide. I do want to search in the United States. And I want to see the last 12 months. Over here on the right-hand side, I click search. and Google starts to tell us the results that green energy is pretty common. Solar energy searches go up and down, and solar panels are pretty constant. Okay, let's come down and let's see where our market is. How cool is this? Okay, we're going to pause to cough. All right, sorry you missed that cough. Okay, now it tells us regional interest. Delaware, little Delaware, very high. Okay, Mexico, New Mexico, high. Wyoming, high. Colorado, high. Nevada, high. Hawaii, high. Montana, high. North Dakota, Arizona, and Idaho. So we see now that we're going to advertise in those states. We should, what we should do is we should take that and we should save those states so we know where to advertise. Go ahead, and I'm going to pause so I can write them all down. Okay, I've written them down, and now we're going to go further. It shows us some more keywords if I were interested in them, but I don't need that right now. I might use them for targeting, but I don't think that it's really that important. I think we've gotten what we need from here, and we've got one more to go, and this is called Google.com Ad Planner. Here we go. We see it. Tells us there's lots of traffic. Okay. It tells us, you can't see this. Can I pull this over? Can't pull this over. Let me stop it, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are on Google Ad Planner. Now we see again 60%. That pretty much corresponds to what we learned from Quantcast. We see the age here is still mostly 35 and up. If we add the numbers, that's 67. 79% are above the age of 35. So we want to target men over the age of 35. We don't care about their income, and we know that the people we're interested in live in Delaware, New Mexico, Wyoming, Colorado, Nevada, Hawaii, Montana, North Dakota, Arizona, and Ohio. We have now completed 2 of the 3 stages. Number 1 is we identified a business that we're going to promote, and we did that pretty quickly. Obviously, there are dozens we could do. We have now targeted our audience using 3 sites: Quantcast, Google Insights for Search, and Google Ad Planner. And we have found that Quantcast and Google Ad Planner agree. So now we are ready for money time. Time to get that cash register to ring. So we'll be back on Facebook in just a moment in our next video.